Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, here's my outfit of the day, starting with my hair. This is Milan Girl by Free Tress. No, it's not, it's by Equal. And it's a shake and go wig. Just shake it out and put it on. You can wear it at the hairline or wear it as a half wig like I'm doing, or wear it as a ponytail because it has a drawstring. And I like it a lot. I think this is my third Milan Girl. Okay, let me go get my pose on. Oh, I have on a V-neck Angelina Tunic. This is one of the new ones that came out for 2020. They have about 8 new ones that come out every year. And I got almost all of them, y'all, from years and years back. Some of them are so threadbare. I have on, and this is from ROAMAN'S, I have on stretchy leggings with the studs on the side. I think these came from Women Within, I'm not sure. Okay, that's my pose, yeah. Okay, I want to thank you all for watching. Thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed and safe day.